Guys, welcome back in Code Spare. Today in this video we will talk about the problem unfortunately application has stopped. So recently I have seen in my comment section that my viewers are saying that I tried your code but it isn't working, the app is crashing. So today in this video I am back with the solution of this problem. So why this error happens in our Android app when we run the application. So what is the reason of unfortunately application has stopped. So some people say that when I click the button then the app is crashed. When I make my phone in landscape mode then it is crashed. So basically the unfortunately application has stopped is an error. It happens because when you have to write some lines, we have to write some codes of lines but you didn't write, and sometimes when you write too much of codes that isn't required, in that conditions this error occurs. And there are countless reasons for this, that why an error can crash. So in this video I will try to cover some main reasons and I will show you how you can get more information about that error and why it is happening. So for example, you can see that this is just a basic Android app. So let me delete this, and I will change it to linear layout because it fixing constant takes time. So linear layout, and then I will give it gravity center. So here simply I will use a button, and just for example I will try to keep it small video. So text will be click and then id btn. Done. Now go back to main activity.java. Here simply we will declare variable button. So guys, here what I am doing, that I will not assign that variable here. I will directly use it with set on click listener method. So when I will write set on click listener method, new on click listener method. So here I will show a toast dot make text get application context hello toast dot length short dot show. So guys, what will happen when I will run this app, then it will crash. And how you can know it, just open logcat while running the app, because that is the best way to know where the error is. And now our Gradle is building. So inside this window, logcat window, you can recognize where the error is and it will show the line of error. So when I will open this app example, so you can see that app is crashed. So you can see this message, as I said that it will crash because I haven't assigned that variable. So inside this you can simply see that you have to choose the emulator, which emulator you are using. So I am using SAM, so you can see the emulator and app also. And you can also choose filters, no filters, whatever, it depends on you. So in this video just you can see that it happens because whenever we try to do something in our Android app which is not possible, so it is called null point. It is called runtime exception in programming language, because basically it means that when we try to do something which isn't possible, then our app is crashed. In programming language it is called runtime exception, and there can be countless reasons of runtime exception, but in the logcat you can see the basic reason, the main reason why your app crashed. And you can see that this line is blue because it is the line where the error is happening. So when you will click on this, then it will take you to the line. As you can see that line number 20, and it is showing main activity.java line number 20. So here the error is happening because we have to give reference to the button but we haven't assigned that value. So it means that we have to write a line of code but we didn't write, that's why the app is crashed. So that's what I was trying to say, that if we write something, we should, if we don't write something we should write, then the app will crash. Or if we write something more that we shouldn't, the app isn't needed, so then the app is crashed. So when I will give reference button equals to find view by id r dot id dot btn, then guys now this app will not crash. When I will again run this, and I will open this logcat. This is a logcat in which you can see the error, and You can see now our app is successfully running and there is no error. And basically, what this logcat is showing? It is showing the methods that is called during runtime and the exceptions which is thrown and accepted by the emulator, and our app is working perfectly. So when I will click on the button, click, you can see the toast message, and the emulator showed that the method is called. When I will again click on this, then again you can see that the method is called and then it is implemented. That's why the code is increasing here. So this is the just a basic example. And one more thing that I want to say about this error, that whenever we for example, that you have created activity main.xml and you are using a video player, a video view or Exoplayer view, so you are just streaming videos. So what will happen, that your app is in portrait mode. So if the user or anyone will make the phone's landscape, I mean when they make the phone's orientation landscape, then in that case the app will crash. Why? Because you have not created the xml file for landscape mode. In that case app also crash. And mostly whenever we try to call some methods which isn't defined or which isn't created, or maybe the reference, the variables that we haven't assigned, so that is why the error happens. So in case whenever you get an error, unfortunately application has stopped, so simply open logcat while running the app and you will get where the error is, and that is the best way to solve this problem. Because instead of going to stack overflow and github, you can simply know you can simply understand why the error is happening and what is the reason of that error. So in case if you understand, if this video helped you, then please like this video and share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.